All right, let's dive into how car insurance might change when you hit 80. It's one of those questions that comes up for drivers as they reach their later years. And it makes sense. You've probably noticed that insurance premiums tend to go down a bit when you reach middle age. But as you head into your 70s and 80s, that trend can start to shift, and insurers may begin to raise rates. Let's take a closer look at why this happens and what you can do about it. Why does age affect car insurance? Insurance companies rely on tons of data to figure out risk factors. They look at things like driving habits, accident rates, and even health statistics. Unfortunately, as we get older, insurers see increased risk, especially once drivers hit 80. Studies show that reaction times and visual acuity tend to decline with age, and certain health issues, like arthritis or vision problems, can make driving more challenging. This can lead to higher accident rates among older drivers, which is why insurers start adjusting premiums upward. How much of an increase should you expect? The amount your premium goes up can depend on a few factors, including your driving record, the state you live in, and the insurance company itself. Some people might only see a small increase, while others could experience a more noticeable hike. Typically, drivers over 80 might see their premiums rise by 10 to 20%, but this varies. Insurers still look at individual driving histories, so if you've been accident-free with a clean record, you might see less of an increase. Ways to help offset rising costs. The good news is that there are a few things you can do to help keep your premium as low as possible. For one, consider taking a defensive driving course designed specifically for older drivers. Some insurance companies offer discounts for completing these courses, as they see it as a sign that you're committed to safe driving. Another option is to review your coverage. Maybe you no longer need that high mileage limit, or maybe you're driving a newer car that could qualify for a different level of coverage. Small adjustments to your policy can sometimes help reduce your premium without sacrificing necessary protection. Think about switching insurers. As we age, our insurance needs can change, and the company that offered the best rate when you were younger may not be the best fit now. Shopping around and getting quotes from different insurers is a great idea, especially if you feel your current provider's rates are climbing more than expected. Some companies offer specific policies geared towards seniors or may have more competitive rates for drivers over 80. Look at telematics or usage-based insurance. Another option that might work well, especially if you're driving less, is telematics or usage-based insurance. With these types of policies, a small device or app tracks your driving habits, like speed, mileage, and braking. If you're a careful driver with low annual mileage, telematics can often save you money. For seniors who only drive occasionally, this can be a smart way to keep premiums down since you're only paying based on how and when you actually use your car. Conclusion: staying safe and saving on insurance. So yes, car insurance can go up when you turn 80, but it's not necessarily inevitable or uncontrollable. Staying proactive and taking steps like defensive driving courses, reviewing your coverage, or considering telematics can all help you keep costs manageable. It's all about finding the right fit for your current driving needs and habits. In the end, the goal is to make sure you have coverage that protects you and feels fair without breaking the bank. I hope this helps clarify things, and if you have more questions, don't hesitate to reach out.